thick smoothie bowls, 14 ounces. Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper blends and powers through frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. Smooth Nutrient Extractions, 24 ounces. Nutrient Extraction Cup with better breakdown for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks, versus BL 480. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. SMARTTORQUE Technology, powerful 1200 peak watt power-dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. 6 versatile functions, 6 programs for one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. AutoIQ Technology, take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Easy to clean base and blender with dishwasher-safe parts. 2 blenders in 1, 2 single-serve blending options with the Nutrient Extraction Cup and Smoothie Bowl Maker in just one motor base. Easy storage portability, 2 blender cups and 1 bowl are easy to take on the go or store. To-go cups with lids included. Recipe inspiration includes 15 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. What's included? 1200 peak watt motor base, hybrid edge blades, 24 ounces. Ninja Nutrient Extraction Cups with spout lids, 14 ounces. Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker with storage lid and recipe inspiration guide. Top reviews from the United States. This is a breakfast smoothies beast. I regularly use this for breakfast smoothies and have used it on pulse for some pestos. It turns the fruit I toss into the hopper into a smoothie in short order. To be honest, by the time the counter gets down to 30 seconds left, I shut the Ninja off. For cleaning, I immediately transfer what I've made to another container for eating or serving, rinse out the hopper, add 1 drop of dish soap plus 1 cup water, and run the Ninja for 30 seconds or so. Rinse it all clean. I suppose it would be easier if it were dishwasher safe, but this is no big hassle.